40 years of the Volkswagen Jetta, and here we are with the 40th anniversary Volkswagen Jetta GLI. Oh yeah, this 2024 model is awesome. Rising blue metallic, 18-inch blacked out wheels, red calipers all the way through, 2-liter engine under the hood with a 6-speed stick. That means 35 miles per gallon highway. Now, we've got, oh, I love this premium interior. Look at that. We're going for red striping. We've got our cup holders here, 6-speed stick. Oh yeah, wireless charging, connectivity, all of our climate controls, and of course we have all of our connectivity here on the center stack. Also, CarNet, roadside assistance. We also have a full digital cockpit, leather wrapped steering wheel, flat bottom 40. Oh yeah, billeted pedals and kick plate. Oh yeah, total seating for 5. We have plenty of legroom here in the back. We have the fold down armrest with cup holders. I still love this interior. Also, monster match cargo management system, all that great kind of stuff in here. And also a low profile blacked out spoiler on this, the new 2024 Volkswagen Jetta GLI 40th anniversary in rising blue metallic right here at Payne Brownsville Volkswagen and Mitsubishi. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo Que Tu Quieres, regardless.